Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. So this video here, so much good stuff going on. From the install to the styling. Let's go. Alright you guys, so here's how my hair came packaged. Let's see what we got. Got a wig cap, a headband, edge brush, some lashes, a melt band, elastic band. Okay, this is really nice. 24 inches. Some loose curls here. Get into it. And this is a full frontal unit, so you have full parting space over here in the frontal, in the middle, and on both sides. You got your comb and your adjustable straps in the back. Hairline look amazing. It has been pre-plucked. See those black dots? I'm gonna go ahead and fix that. See you after I bleach the knots and everything. It's darn near perfect. Okay, bald cap is getting balded. Okay, so I did go ahead and bleach my knots, and I actually had to do 2 rounds to bleach them because the knots in the back were like a little thicker than the ones in the front, so I double back. I did go ahead and tint my lace as well, so that's why it looks brown. I plucked my hairline just a little bit more. This is how much I plucked out of this wig. It looks like a lot, but you gotta remember this is curly hair. And plus, after I washed it, I blow dried it, so that's why it's like in this thick natural state. I'm gonna go ahead and do the exact same steps that I always do to prep my wig plus install it. Okay, so it's been about 2 days. My hair is still straightened, and it rained like the same day I straightened my hair. So it had like kind of got poofy then, but I just brushed it and I wrapped it and boom. It's like still this really cute, natural, blown out texture. It's early and I sound like a man. But I wanted to show you guys. It's like, so do I want to get like some loose wave and then straighten it and that be my go-to? Because it's not too straight. This hair is nice. Click the link down below so you can go get yours. And I actually have to do a middle part for this style. This will do till I plug up my hot comb when I do everything else. And then this is a full frontal so I can go all the way down, baby. That's what you want. Be them other ones that be swooping in on the side. No. Ain't no swooper doop on there. And I'm separating it with water. Oh yeah, buddy. It's not over processed right here. This middle, I don't know what I did. I'm still trying to figure out how to bleach correctly. I want it already sectioned off for when I do my curls, because I need my curls to stay clumped together how they're going to be. I don't want to define my curls and then it's curly hair and I have to go in and separate it. That's what I'm trying to prevent. And my wig's so secure, like it's not going anywhere. I love the way I install my wigs now, but I'm still trying to figure out the bleach. Okay, so that's the two front pieces. Now I know some of the hair goes into a ponytail. I didn't see a tutorial on this. I just seen the style. And some you could tell they got like a ponytail right here and some you don't. And I want this right here because I need my clip up high. So for this, I'm actually use holding spray. Okay, boom. What the rest look like? I got my 3 sections at the top. Now in the back. Some of the style is down. And then the rest is in like a clip. So maybe this much for my clip. Do I supposed to have all these sections? Okay. I would just go with the flow. I'm gonna just use water on this section because I don't know. And you may change it, use water instead of holding spray. This better turn out good. Okay, so now I have all my sections to go ahead and do my curling process. So here, let me explain it. This is one section here, that's what's down. I'm going to define these curls separately. That's section 1. And then section 2, I'm going to define these curls. And then here, define these curls, keeping inside this ponytail. And then I have to slick this down. So should I do that now? I'm trying to do my hot comb, but I don't have a choice. Let me plug in my hot comb. Okay, y'all, so I got these hot combs from Cliff. I'll leave his link down below. They are the bomb. They go up to 500 degrees. 500? And I'm gonna put this in the back. Leave my joint flat, okay? Now I need to bring it around and like sandwich these two together. So let me do this side. I done ran out of wrap lotion, so I'm using some detangler on my edges. Two pieces, and I'm gonna do a ponytail. Detangling lotion because I ain't got nothing else. And I don't want it hard. If I had wrap lotion, that's what I would have used. And remember, I got that. Swoop that right back, right there. Okay. Y'all see what this is? And it's dirt cheap. Maybe $6. It was from Dollar General. Okay. Acrylic one. Here. Take it and twist it around just a bit. And then fold it up. Then clamp that. Okay, now I just let this dry. The curls back popping. Here's the back.